Hello there, my name is Veena Prashant, and in this video, I'll take you behind the scenes of a DAP customer site. This is actually part 2 of a 2-part video series. In part 1, I showed you how she's using DAP to create and deliver her online courses, the entire front-end experience, end-to-end user experience. And in this video, I'll take you behind the scenes to show you her DAP backend, to show you how she has configured her course and how she is using DAP for her courses, how she has set things up in DAP. All right, so let's get started. So this is Deborah Johnson's site, and here in the DAP Manage Products page, you will find a list of all the products. So here, this is the product that we are taking a look at. This is an online course called Keys to the Keyboard course. I'm going to edit and show you the setup of this course. So when you edit, you're going to get sent to a page like this, and here you can see product name, description, product image, just all the basic product stuff. And here you can see under product category, is this an online course? And it's set to yes. So if it's an online course, set this to yes. And course structure, there are 2 options. You can select one of these options. In her case, she has selected just lessons. Course progress. If you want to allow users to proceed to the next lesson only after they complete the previous lesson, so they have to click on the Mark is Complete button to indicate they have completed the current lesson, and only then the next lesson is released. You can select this option, but if you do not want to restrict access, if you want to allow your users to skip lessons and take it in any order they want, you can set this to do not restrict access. So next tab, billing and access. So here you can specify how you want to charge the users for your course. In her case, her product is a one-off product. It's not a recurring subscription, so she has selected one-time fee. Product price $75, full access if they purchase the product. Next, so notifications tab here, you can configure your welcome email. This is the email users are going to get when they purchase the course. So here you can send them their login credentials. You can see you can use these personalization tags to send them their login email, login password. And also there is this course completion notification as well. So you can send your users an email when they complete the course. All right. So here you can congratulate them for completing the course, and also course complete message. So on the lesson page, when they are on the last lesson and click on Mark as Complete on the last lesson, you can let them know that that's it, they are done. Congrats, you have completed this course. You can display this message on the lesson page as well. And module complete notification, if you want to send them an email after they complete each module, you can. In her case, she doesn't have any modules, just lessons, so she has disabled it. In the lesson complete notification, you can send them an email when they complete each lesson, just to encourage them, to motivate them to keep going. And I like the message she has in this email. And also lesson complete message, when users click on the Mark is Complete button, when they complete each lesson, it's going to instantly show them this message on the lesson page, and the next lesson button will open up. All right, so you can set up a welcome email. This email users will get as soon as they purchase your course. Course complete, they will get this when they complete the entire course, and lesson complete, they will get this email when they complete each lesson. And also the messages can be configured as well. This will be displayed on the lesson page when they complete each lesson. All right, moving on to the content responder tab. So here you can make the content that's part of the product available to that product, and also the table of content page itself. So this is the page where users will find the course outline for the course. So this is the page they land on when they log in and click on Access My Content. So this is the landing page. So she has protected this as well. And again, all of these pages are regular WordPress pages. You can create these pages using regular WordPress editor, or you can use your page builder to design your pages, whatever layout you want, whatever format you want. These are not custom pages created by DAP, but just regular WordPress pages that you can create in WordPress and then just assign it here to the product so it becomes part of your course. If you want to drip it out, you can set the drip setting here. You can edit each piece of content and change it. Also the link text, this is important. If you want a friendly name on your course outline instead of a URL, then enter the text for each one of your lessons. So in her case, she has said lesson 1, 5 note scales. So this is what is displayed in the front end. And drip setting, it's available on day 1. So this means when users sign up, they get instant access to the lessons in this course. But even though they get instant access, because all the lessons are set to drip day 1, still they are not going to be able to get to these lessons until they complete each lesson and click on Mark as Complete. They cannot skip lessons. That's because in the General tab, she has said Allow access to next lesson only if previous lesson is completed. All right. So that's her setup. All of these are just regular WordPress pages. This is a cool thing about DAP LMS that our users really like. Just make your WordPress pages or posts part of the course, and that's it. It becomes part of the course structure. All right, moving on. Autoresponder. Here you can set up your follow-up emails. So she is sending 3 emails, day 1, day 7, day 14. So advanced tab, you can see here, post login is set to the table of content page. Because when users click on access my content button in the my content, she wants to send users to the table of content page for the course so they can get started. So the post login is set here. So when users click on the access your content button, it links to whatever you set here in the advanced tab under post login URL. Okay, so users are sent here. That's it. All right. Now in the last tab, you can see it says now you can generate your Marcus Complete and course progress shortcodes for your course. So you can click on these to generate shortcodes and publish it on your lesson pages. All right. So let's do that now. So you can get to it by clicking on these, or you can click on shortcodes here to get to it. So let's go to that page. All right, you can see here, this is the shortcodes page. Let's start with the course outline. And she has created several outlines, one for each one of her courses. So the one that we are going to look at is the keys to the keyboard course outline. I'm going to edit this. If you're creating a new one, just click on create new course outline. Here she already has one. Let me click on this and show you how it looks. All right, so course name, you can select the course name for which you want to create the course outline. And then you can customize what you want to show on your course outline. Do you want to show the course name, course description, module name, and all that stuff? And this is the course outline. You can see there is a style customizer. You can change the color to whatever you want it to be. So when you click on generate and save shortcode, that's it. It gives you the shortcode. You can copy this and publish it on your course outline page. All right. All right, so let me show you her course outline page and where she has inserted this shortcode. So this is WordPress pages. As I mentioned before, lessons are just regular WordPress pages. You can use your page builder to create your pages. You can use regular WordPress editor. So these are her lessons. You can see here lessons 1 through 7. And this is her course outline. All right. So this is the page to which users are sent first when they click on access this course. So let me edit this and show you the settings. So again, this is a WordPress page. She has created it using her page builder, and she's using Thrive Architect as her page builder. All right, so this is the editor, and let me show you the shortcode here. So this is the shortcode she got from DAP for course outline. That's it. She has inserted it here. And in the front end, when users see this, this is how it's going to look to the users, the shortcode that she had inserted on this page. It just automatically in the front end, it's going to show up like this. And again, all of this can be customized in the back end in the DAP course outline shortcode page. So you can customize the look and feel. All of these are merge tags, so do not replace any of these. It will be replaced by DAP in the front end with the actual name of the course and module name and lesson title and all that. So don't change any of these, but you can customize the font family, the colors, and all of that here. And that's it. Save the shortcode, publish it on any WordPress page that you want to be your course outline page. And it's going to look something like this. And moving on to the course progress bar here, this is how it looks. Again, it has a customizer. You can select all the options here. When you click on generate and save, it will give you the shortcode. You can copy this and publish it wherever you want on the lesson pages. And it's going to show users how much they have completed, what's still left in the course. Lesson complete shortcode, if you want to display a Marcus Complete button towards the bottom of each lesson page so they can only proceed to the next lesson if they complete the previous lesson, then you can publish this shortcode towards the bottom of each one of your lesson pages. And here is the customizer. You can customize the look and feel of this button. That's it. So as I mentioned before, the shortcode that you're going to have for lesson complete, course progress bar, course outline, it's going to be the exact same for all the lessons in the course. So you don't have to regenerate it for different lessons. You just create it once for the course and then copy it from this page and then insert it on all of your lesson pages. So the best way to do this, the easiest way to do this is to create one lesson. Your content does not have to be fully ready, but You just have to figure out your format, your layout that you're going to have for each one of your lessons. And if you're satisfied with the layout, just duplicate your lesson pages. This way you do not have to reinsert these shortcodes on other lesson pages, because the shortcode is going to be the same for all the lessons. Just the content itself is going to be different for each lesson, but the shortcode, the outline, the progress bar, the mark is complete is the exact same shortcode. And if you want to check the student progress, you can do that in Members, Manage a Student Progress page. Here you will find all the members, the courses that they have taken, and also what lessons they have completed. If you click on View Details, it will tell you what lessons they have completed and what's still left. And if you want to reset, then you can do that by selecting the course and then clicking on this icon here, and it will reset it to the beginning of the course. I hope this was helpful. DAP is one of the few membership plugins that comes with a built-in LMS for your courses, and you can very easily create, manage, organize your lesson content, and deliver your online courses using DAP. If you have any questions, please do let me know. I have a Facebook group, and you're welcome to ask questions there. My name is Veena Prashant. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.